In this video, the brand new Buffalo Wing Cheez-Its. We're going to open it, taste it, smell it, review it from 1 to 100 right here. Let's try some Buffalo Wings. Leon, I've never seen these before.
No, I haven't either.
What's your favorite Cheez-It?
Extra cheese.
Extra cheesy. That is really good. And I like the burnt Cheez-Its. I don't think they're called burnt Cheez-Its.
Toasted?
Toasted, yeah. I call them the burnt Cheez-Its. They're one of my favorite. And then the extra cheesy is my second favorite. Did we get a close-up of this box? That's a really cool graphic right there. Oh, I bet these are good, Leon. I bet these are good.
Yeah.
I do like Cheez-Its. Well, let's have Leon check out the box. All the dogs down here think they're going to get some Cheez-Its too. Leon, anything important on the box?
It says Cheez-Its Baked Snack Crackers. 100% real cheese. Buffalo Wing.
Down here's your helper. He's ready. Anything on the back?
Tries our newest cheesy snack.
Alright, let's open that sucker up. Oh, Goku come running.
Miko's ready.
Miko loves Cheez-Its. But I don't think he's going to get Buffalo Wings. He gets like the cheesy Cheez-Its. Oh my god, he loves those.
He'd like one, he said.
I bet he would. I think we're going to pour some out. This is just a bunch of other stuff we've reviewed. Guys, at the end of this video, please click one of our other videos for all this cool stuff we've reviewed recently. Want to get a close up? Okay, so they look just like any other Cheez-It, nothing special. Here's our close up. Here's our helpers. I actually smell like barbecue buffalo wing spice on this. Cheesy. I taste cheese.
It tastes like a sauce.
Mmm. The cheese is still there, but a little tiny bit of heat.
Some kind of sauce.
Yeah, like a buffalo wing sauce.
Oh, okay. Mine has a little bit of heat.
From 1 to 10, Leon, how hot is this?
7. Hot to me. Everything's hot to me.
I thought it was going to be a 1. It's not hot. Hot to Leon. If you guys follow our videos, you know Leon does not like the heat.
No.
Our regulars know that. This is good. It's a good combination.
It's got a real cheesy flavor.
So, it's still a Cheez-It. They didn't remove the cheese. They just added some after spice to it.
Right.
And that's nice. Well, let's put our scout, Leon. From 1 to 100, what are you going to give this?
I'm going to say it's 75.
Dear God! We're like mind readers over here. We've been together way too long. Comment below if you think you know how long we've been together. It's been long. But I was thinking 75 also. Oh my God. Well, let's give some to the dogs to see what they think, and then our final thoughts.
Sit.
Okay, the Huskies got the Cheez-Its, and the Cavaliers are getting Charlie Bear treats. Our Charlie Bear treats. Catch that little guy.
Which guy is next? Okay. Okay, you can have another Cheez-It.
I think he just swallows it whole. One thing about Huskies, they don't chew their food. They swallow it whole. Leon, they swallow it whole. So, I don't know, you give them something just like, oh, they vacuum. So what's our final thoughts on these?
They're cheesy, and I taste sauce with them.
Like a buffalo wing sauce.
Yeah, kind of tangy.
It's a little tangy. Where did we get these at, Leon?
Safeway.
I got these at Safeway?
I thought so. I could be wrong.
I didn't know where we got them.
I don't know. We go so many places.
We're always looking for something new. If you like a little bit of spice, just a little touch of heat, get these. I mean, there's so many cheeses to choose from though. But I don't know if it's limited time, doesn't say. I've never seen them before. If you like this video, click over here for this other snack video. I think this is, I think you'll like this little video right here. Or click down here for one of our soda videos. We just did the new 7-Up Tropical. We also did the new Coke Mystery Flavor Y3000. So that's down here in this playlist. Thank you for watching.
Have a good day.